Welcome back to Easy Story Studio, the best place to learn English with fun stories. Today's story is A Trip to the Big City Zoo. Do you like animals? Today we will see monkeys, elephants, lions, and even fast penguins. Sit back, listen carefully, and let's start our story. This is a boy named Paul. Paul is 8 years old. He has a little sister. His sister is named Emma. Emma is 5 years old. They live in a big house. Today is a very happy day. It is a sunny Saturday. There is no school today. The family is going out today. They are going to the zoo. Paul is very excited. Paul wakes up very early. He gets out of his bed. He runs to Emma's room. "Wake up, Emma," says Paul. "We are going to the zoo." Emma opens her blue eyes. Emma smiles a big smile. She is very happy too. She jumps out of her bed. Paul puts on his clean clothes. He wears a green shirt. He wears blue jeans today. Emma puts on her clothes. She wears a pink dress. She wears white walking shoes. They walk to the warm kitchen. Mother is making a hot breakfast. Father is drinking dark coffee. "Good morning," says Mother happily. "Are you ready for today?" Paul and Emma say yes. Mother gives them hot pancakes. She puts sweet syrup on top. The pancakes are very good. Paul eats his pancakes very fast. He is a very hungry boy. Emma eats her pancakes slowly. Father looks at his watch. "It is time to go," he says. They stand up from their chairs. Mother packs a big blue bag. She puts cold water in the bag. She puts sweet apples inside. Father takes the silver car keys. They walk to the white car. The car is outside the house. Paul and Emma sit inside. They sit in the back seats. Father drives the white car.
They drive on the long road. They see many tall buildings. The zoo is in the city. Paul looks out the window. He sees a big red bus. He sees many walking people. Emma plays with a small toy. It is a yellow plastic duck. She likes her small toy. They arrive at the big zoo. Father parks the white car carefully. They all get out now. The zoo has a big gate. The gate is green and tall. Many people are standing there. Father buys 4 paper tickets. He gives the tickets to a man. The man opens the gate. "Welcome to the zoo," says the man. The family walks into the zoo. It is very loud inside. Father takes a paper map. The map shows the big animals. Paul wants to see everything. "Let's see the monkeys," says Mother. They walk on a wide path. The path has green trees. They arrive at the monkey cage. The cage is very big. There are 10 brown monkeys. The monkeys are very funny. They jump from tree to tree. They use their long tails. One monkey eats a yellow banana. It sits on a high branch. It looks at young Paul. Paul laughs at the funny monkey. Emma points her small hand. "Look at that one," she says. A small baby monkey plays. It rides on its mother's back. It is very cute and small. Next, they see the big elephants. The elephants are very gray. They have very big ears. They have long gray trunks. One elephant drinks cold water. It uses its long trunk. It sprays the water high. The water falls on its back. The elephant is taking a shower.
Emma is amazed by the elephant.
"It is so big," she says. Father takes a nice picture. The family walks to the giraffes. The giraffes are very tall. They have long yellow necks. They have brown spots on them. A giraffe eats green leaves. The leaves are on a tall tree. Its tongue is very long. The tongue is a dark color. It pulls the green leaves down. Paul stands near the tall fence. The giraffe looks down at him. Paul feels very small now. It is 12 o'clock now. The sun is hot and bright. The family is very hungry. They find a small wooden table. It is under a big tree. They sit on the wooden chairs. Mother opens the blue bag. She takes out the red apples. She takes out the cold water. Father buys some hot food. He buys 4 hot dogs. He brings them to the table. Paul eats his hot dog quickly. Emma drinks her cold water. They eat the sweet apples. The rest feels very good. Their legs are a little tired, but they want to see more. "Let's see the lions," says Paul. The family walks to the lions. The lions are in a big field. There is a big father lion. He has a big brown mane. He is sleeping in the sun. There is a mother lion too. She is walking on the grass. She watches the loud people. Suddenly, the father lion wakes up. He opens his big mouth. He makes a very loud roar. The roar is very scary. Emma hides behind her father. "Do not be scared," says father. "He is far away," says mother. The lion goes back to sleep. Emma feels safe again now.
They walk to a cold building. Inside, it is very dark. There is a big glass wall. Behind the glass is cold water. There is a lot of white ice. This is the penguin room. The penguins are black and white. They walk very funny on the ice. They have short little legs. One penguin jumps in the water. It swims very fast. It looks like a flying bird. Paul loves the fast penguins. He follows them with his hand. The penguins look at Paul. Emma laughs at the funny birds. She likes the cold room. It is good on a hot day. They walk to the reptile house. The house is very warm inside. There are many glass boxes. Inside the boxes are long snakes. Some snakes are green and brown. Some snakes are very big. Paul looks at a big snake. The snake has no legs. It sleeps on a warm rock. Emma sees a small green turtle. The turtle has a hard shell. It walks very slowly on land. Next, they see the big bears. The bears have thick brown fur. They are very strong animals. One bear eats a red apple. It holds the apple with its paws. It looks very cute and hungry. They also see a colorful bird. The bird is a big parrot. It has red and blue feathers. The parrot can say small words. "Hello," says the loud parrot. Paul and Emma say hello back. They leave the warm building. The afternoon is almost over. They are very tired now. "Can we get a toy?" asks Paul. Mother smiles and says yes. They go to the gift shop. The shop has many soft toys. It has books and small shirts. Paul looks at everything carefully.
He finds a soft brown monkey. It has a long, funny tail. He holds it in his hands. Emma finds a soft gray elephant. It has big, floppy ears. She hugs the soft toy tight. Father pays for the 2 toys. Paul says thank you to Father. Emma says thank you to Mother. They walk to the big gate. They say goodbye to the zoo. They walk to the white car. Paul and Emma get in the back. They hold their new soft toys. Father drives the car home. The city is very busy now. There are many cars on the road. The sun is going down slowly. Emma is very tired now. She closes her blue eyes. She sleeps with her soft elephant. Paul is very tired too. He looks out the car window. He thinks about the roaring lion. They arrive at their quiet house. The sky is dark and black. Mother wakes little Emma up. They walk into the warm house. Mother makes a fast, hot dinner. They eat warm tomato soup. Paul and Emma wash their faces. They brush their small teeth. They put on their pajamas. Paul gets into his comfortable bed. He puts his monkey next to him. He is ready to sleep. Father comes to the dark room. He says goodnight to young Paul. "Did you have fun?" he asks. "Yes, it was a great day," says Paul. Father smiles and leaves the room. The house is very quiet. Paul closes his tired eyes. He dreams about the big zoo. He dreams about the fast penguins. The day is finally over. The family is happy and safe. Tomorrow will be a quiet Sunday.
What a wonderful day at the zoo! Paul and Emma are fast asleep now. I hope you enjoyed this story with Easy Story Studio. Before you go, let's practice your English. Write the name of your favorite animal in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.